Hello everyone. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing us how to add item or add products to our Raeven Store Owners App dashboard. Okay, so if you have the app downloaded on your mobile phone, once you click on the app, the Raeven Store Owner App, you find this is the home page of your dashboard. So the next thing is to click on the three-line menu at the bottom of your screen. Then it takes you to a place where you have several features or tools that helps you manage your store personally. So the second icon, which is the add item, you click on it and it brings you here. So you'll be expected to impute the name of the item and a short description to help your potential buyers understand what they intend to buy. Okay, so for this video I would be adding a multi-purpose mobile fuel light with a short description. Yes, so then you click on next. It will take you to a page where you are expected to input other information about the product, which include the price. So the price now for this product is sold at 12,000. Then if your product has a discount on it, you can either include a discount by percent or by amount. If it's by amount, you include the price. If it's 1,000, is it 500, whatever amount, you put it in the discount space. Then if it's in percent, mind you, do not interchange the amount for percent or percent for amount. The effect is not the same. So let's say we are discounting this price by percent. I'll be using 5% discount. It automatically reduces the 5% from the 12,000 naira. Okay, so this is a gadget store and I select a category for the product. So the product I'm adding to my store is a gadget accessory. Then it requires me to input a subcategory, still gadget accessory. Now for a brand, it falls under the electronics. Now tag. For tag, what tag implies is the name that you add to your item that enables a potential buyer search for that product and it automatically shows them that your store has it or you have it available in your store with your address. So for this product, I'm going to add multi-purpose lights as a tag. Then I click on add. Then I can add mobile fuel lights as a tag. Then I add it. Then the next thing for attribute is not necessary. So the next thing to impute is the total stock. How many of this product do I have in stock? Let's say I have 5. I impute 5. You may have 10, you may have 20. You impute it in stock. As customers or as buyers are purchasing those items, it reduces automatically, and then at that point you have to restock. Then for units, the price, the 12,000 is for 1 unit of this item. So one of this multi-purpose light is sold for 12,000, right? So that is what unit is. So if your package or if the item is a twin item, then you can impute 2, sorry. And if it's more than 1, if it's more than 2, so you can impute 5 depending on the package you are about to add to your store. So for the purpose of this video, it's just 1. Then maximum order quantity is not necessary. Then the next thing is to impute the image, the thumbnail image. So I click on this, and so I'm just going to use this one as a thumbnail image. Then the item image itself, I will use this image for it. Then once you click on the item image and impute the image, it makes available other spaces for you to impute other images. For instance, if this comes in several colors, I can click on this and also pick another color and another color, so it keeps increasing like that. So then I submit. So once you submit, you have to wait for it to be added to your store. Okay, so as you can see, the product has been published to Curiosity Store. So this is the product. Yeah, so that's all about this video. Thank you for watching.